We all know that Facebook is one of the very popular and very common social media platform, and you know that as per a different stats, people are spending around 30 minutes a day, an hour a day, or more on social media, especially Facebook, being one of the very popular social media platforms. And now Facebook has a lot of things making it very good for business as well. In this video, I will be explaining a step-by-step tutorial on how you can grow your brand on Facebook with the help of Facebook Live. Facebook Live is basically a video function on going live on Facebook, and how you can interact with your audience, engage your followers, reach, get the maximum reach for your brand, product, or service, and how you can use it to multiply your sales or even do branding. So I did some of the experiments, so I will also share with those in this video. So stay with me and I will show you step by step with this. So let's get started with it. So you can see that you can even do multiple things. Here you can see, let me make it bigger for you guys to access. Here you can see that I also do PPC and SEO paid workshops every time, and you know I used my profile Facebook to explain my audience about what my SEO master workshop will be like, and I answered people questions, concerns, and relative queries regarding what will be the course content, what kind of reservations they had, and you know, and I was able to got even 15 seats just with the help of this live class, because many people were hesitant on either should we go to this workshop or not, and I explained them in detail and helped them with one-on-one question and answer session, which actually people were confused because they didn't had the direct one-on-one interaction with me, and with the help of Facebook Live they were able to get one-on-one interaction with me and were able to ask their direct questions, which eventually helped me in getting more sales, more branding, and also helped them in getting their queries and concerns solved regarding this project. So which is why this is a very good. Now let me show you 4 more examples of people on how they were able to get help through Facebook Live. So you can see that this guy is actually, I know him personally because I'm one of his Facebook friend, and this guy's name is Hisham Server. Although he's based in Pakistan, but he got ample of reach on Facebook on his social media profile just by going live every day, no matter what. But he used to come live every day and interact with his audience, followers, friends, and that is how he got one of the biggest followings in Pakistan. So don't consider this thing as a small thing, but the Facebook viral Facebook Live can help you go millions, if not billions. So that is a very good. Now let me even share with you another story of Starbucks, because Starbucks also use the same thing, and what they do or what other brands do is they ask for common people for customer testimonials regarding their experiences, and even they create ads on Facebook Live by going online and sharing experiences, deals, discounts, or even they do new product launches on Facebook Live. So even if you see now new iPhone, the event is being streamed live on Facebook Live as well, and even many vloggers, YouTubers come on different brand pages to get their new products introduced, and when you go live and the Facebook even send notifications to their audience or the people who have liked the page or followed the page, and that is how you get better reach, rather as compared to the normal post you do every day. And since you don't go live every other day, which is why it is an unusual thing, which is why Facebook sends a notification to a mass level rather than the normal level, and which is why you seem to see better interaction, and people like more video content, and it also helps getting in more shares, which is I'm not repeating the word why, which is I'm just saying that this can help you go viral, in other words, as well. And that Facebook made a 3 million a year deal with the New York Times to produce exclusive video content on its platform, which is why that this is a huge thing. And now let me go step by step process of using Facebook Live in 2022 to and how you can do it. So first thing is first, you need to pre-plan your live video. What you're going to talk about. Unlike me, who do not pre-plan everything, I don't pre-plan everything when I'm going to talk with you. But popular or professional thing is to pre-plan everything before going live, and the topic of the discussion can be any, But let me share with you simple of the few of the ideas. Like if you can host a question answer session with your audience, this can do very wonders, because like I told you about my SEO workshop where I did a question answer session, and I was able to grab many people attention as well as few more tickets by answering their pre-sales questions and the questions they were hesitant about asking, and they wouldn't have other asked otherwise. And due to this video, they were able to ask directly with me on one-on-one question based question answer session, and that is how I was able to get them converted. Second thing is discuss something on current trends or current affairs. I know this is not good or suitable for every industry or for every person, but it can depend on niche to niche. And you can teach something to people, and this can also be a very good way. And announce a new product, service, press conference, do press conference, which is now becoming very very common. Explain a product or service. You can do a tutorial or probably explain the benefits of your product. You can do a comparison of your own products or your product with your competitor. This can also help you. And you can interview someone or someone who is a professional in your industry or your niche and ask questions regarding this is if someone is selling cosmetics, they can hire a dermatologist or a skin specialist and get a question answer session with them, and this will help more of a branding and giving more of a trust to a brand, and can eventually help in increasing more sales and do branding. And you can even pick any issue you like in the industry and get it solved. So this can be an idea. Now the thing I want to tell you is that 5 winning points of Facebook Live which you can do to win, and that is number 1 is table of content. You need to know what you are going to ask. Second thing is sound. Sound must be perfect and can be without any disturbances, without any noise. Third is lighting. Lighting should be perfect, unlike this video which do not have an exclusive lighting, but that lighting also plays a huge role. So focus on lighting as well. And I forgot the 4th point, and it was about delivering value. Now, delivering value, I still remember a quote: value has a value only if its value is being valued. So deliver something, which is worth for people to come and watch your videos, so they can become your regular visitor. And last is get engaged with your audience, and the best is by engaging. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you a question: which point of this video you like so far, or which point you think actually is very good in going live with the Facebook which can help you. So this is a very important thing. And now is I will show you how you can create or go live on Facebook. So you guys have to stay with me on this, because I'm not leaving you just by telling you on what is Facebook Live or how you can, but now I will make sure to go live with even a single video to actually help you on how you can do it for your own videos. So going live on Facebook isn't difficult at all. It's just your Facebook profile, and all you have to do is there's an option of live video. You just have to press this live video and you can go to live. Now now it's just you just have to select, and then they will ask the attached camera. They will ask for the relevant camera which is being attached with your device. Like it's asking me for a go with a webcam or a streaming software. If I'm using a third-party software, I can select for a streaming software. There are different softwares, or if I want to go live with my webcam, I'm going to select this and I'm going to go live with this. So the process is very easy, and I hope you like it. And this was a tutorial on how you can do Facebook Live. Definitely Facebook Live is a very wonderful tool for your business, and you can actually increase your reach for your business, as well as if you are doing personal branding, it can be very beneficial for you, even in case if you are doing personal branding, or even if you are in a service industry, this can also be very beneficial to you. So with this, I am going to end this video. Hopefully you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and which part of the video you like the most, I will be looking forward for your comment in the comments box, and looking forward for your subscription to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.